Welcome to Getting Started with EduLoops. In this webinar, we will show you how to access your EduLoops website as well as how to register new users to your website. This is the login page of EduLoops. On the login page, you've got several tabs here. This first tab takes you to links on documents that describe features of EduLoops. The second tab takes you to a page that describes Microsteps as a company. And the third tab is our Contact Us tab, where you can fill out a form that will go to support. If you notice over here, there's also a link to support at micro-steps.com. Should you have any issues logging in, click this link and send us an email and describe the issue that you're having. On the login page, you will enter your username. All usernames will be email addresses. Whether you are a teacher, a director, or a parent, or a student, the email that you are using for your school communication will be your username on EduLoops. If you do not know your password, you can click this Reset Password link, and you will be taken to a page where you enter your email address, and then you will receive an email that will allow you to go in and change your password. I'm going to enter the email address, which is my username. I'm going to click the Reset Password button to show you the password assistance box. This is where you would enter your email in order to receive a link to allow you to reset your password. If you remember your password, or if you already know your password, simply type your password in the box. The Keep Me Signed In option allows you to stay signed in on this computer. So if you choose this option, the next time you log in, it will remember your username and your password information and take you directly to the website. Please note, this does not work should you log in on a different computer. It is for the computer that you were on at the time of login. Click the Login button, and you'll be taken to your EduLoops site. If you are a new parent, to your school's EduLoops site, then you will either be pre-registered by the director. If that is so, use the login email that you provided to your director and use the password that he or she provided back to you. Once again, should you not know the password, as long as you use the correct email, you can click the Reset Password link and receive the link that allows you to change it. If you are a new parent who was provided a registration key or registration code from your director, you will click the Sign Up button. It will take you to the following page. Already registered, you will add a new account on the left. This is for parents who are registered with one child, but you may need to also register for another child. This is also for staff members who have multiple accounts at the school. If you have been provided with a registration key to create your account, this box will allow you to go create your account. So you will type in the information provided by your director. Please note the information below the registration key box. If this is the first time that you're logging into the system and you do not have that registration key, contact your director, or you can contact us at support@microsteps.com and provide us with the following information so that we can confirm that you are a user for this account. Click the Go button once you've entered your registration key. And you will be taken to a page to enter your information. You will walk through the steps. If there is a star provided next to a box, that box is required. I'm just entering parent and test for the demo. You'll choose, you enter your address, your city, the state, the zip, down below, you can please enter one main phone number. If you choose to also enter a cell number, you can add an additional number here. If your cell number is your main number, please put it in the main number box. When you create an account, you must use an email address. Which will be your new username. You can also provide the school with a second email. This is optional. You will create your own password. You will re-enter your password, and then you will click the Next button. You will get to a page that says you successfully submitted information for the parent. Do you want to add another parent or guardian? If you're adding another parent at this time, you click the Yes button, and you will go through the process of adding the second parent or guardian. If you choose not to add another parent or guardian at this time, you click the No button, and it will take you to the next step. On the next page, you will enter your child's information. Note that it states to enter one child at a time. There is no limit to the number of children that you can be registered to, as long as they are your children at the school or at a neighboring school if the schools are connected on EduLoops. But you have to do it one child at a time. Select if this child is male or female. These are just for identification purposes for the school. If you would like to upload a photo to identify your child, you can do so at this point. If your child is old enough and if your school has chosen the option, you can add your student's email, and that student will have access to EduLoops as well. This is predominantly for older children and also for schools that allow students to have access. You will select the classes or groups that your child is assigned to. These are demo classes from the demo site. And then you'll continue to answer additional questions. Your school may ask you for medical information. Some schools, the data collected varies, so just walk through the questions asked on your registration pages. You can also skip past this at this time by clicking the Next button. It will ask you if you would like to add another child at this time. If you have multiple children at the school, click Yes. If not, click No, continue to the next step. As mentioned earlier, you can always go back to add children. Emergency contacts. Please enter the emergency contact information for your school. The telephone numbers for your contact. The address for your contact. Since I picked Alabama on the other page, I'll pick Alabama here. Select the relationship just so the school knows if this is a relative or if it's a friend or a neighbor. At this time, you can click Submit Emergency Contact, and that will upload that information. If you have additional contacts to enter, you can continue with the emergency contact. Down below, the emergency contact section is Authorized Pickup List. Here you will enter the names of people who are authorized to pick up your child. Click Submit. Be sure to click these Submit buttons before you click the next button. These Submit buttons save your information for the contact that you've entered. Once you have entered all emergency contacts and all authorized pickup contacts, click the Next button. You will be congratulated that you've completed your account. Click Finish. And then you can now log in to the site. You can enter your username and your password, and you will be taken to your school's EduLoops website. Once on the website, you can modify your account information by going to the My Account tab at the top of the website. If you click My Account, you'll be taken to a page that will allow you to change your credentials. This is also where you will go should you decide to change your password. You can simply enter a new password here. We do not have access to your passwords, so we can no longer send you your password if you email us. The only thing we can do is send you the link that will allow you to change your passwords. These are just heightened security measures with EduLoops. When you're on your My Account, as I mentioned, you can change your information. Parents will have tabs where they can change the information of their children. Should you have any questions about accessing your EduLoops page or entering the initial registration information, please contact us at support@micro-steps.com.